In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a table title in Google Sheets. We'll break this down into a few simple steps to help you give your table the polished, professional look it deserves. To begin, open up your Google Sheets document and locate the table you're working with. Our goal here is to make sure the title of your table stands out by positioning it squarely in the middle, which helps to create a clean and organized appearance. While this may seem daunting at first, these steps will show you just how easy it is to achieve. First, you'll want to select the cells across the top of your table where you want your title to be centered. To do this, simply click and hold on the cell where your table title is located. Now drag your cursor across the row as far as your table stretches. This action will let Google Sheets know which area to merge, making sure the title is stretched across the correct width. Now that you've selected the necessary cells, it's time to merge them. Look towards the toolbar at the top of the page where you'll find a variety of options. You're looking for a small icon that resembles 4 boxes being combined into a single box. This is the Merge Cells icon. Click this button and watch as the individual cells from your selection blend into one large singular cell. This merging process allows the title to visually dominate the space, signifying its importance and relevance to the data that follows. Once your cells are merged, it's time to align your table title to the center for that balanced look. To do this, remain in the toolbar and look for the Align button. It often appears as a series of horizontal lines arranged in various alignments. Click on this button and from the drop-down options, select the center alignment. Immediately, your title will shift into the middle of the newly merged cell, giving it an even and symmetrical display. As a quick tip, keep in mind that if your title isn't immediately centered the way you expected, double-check that you've selected and merged the correct range of cells. Sometimes, overlooking a cell can slightly offset the final alignment, so it's worth verifying that your selection is accurate. And just like that, you're done. With these straightforward steps, you can instantly elevate the professionalism and readability of your tables in Google Sheets. This technique is particularly useful when you're preparing spreadsheets for presentations or reports, where clear and articulate formatting is key to communicating your data effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing!